Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listening English Practice. My name is Eiley. This channel helps you practice your English listening. We use simple words. We speak slowly and clearly. You can understand every sentence. Today's topic is ordering food. Have you ever gone to a restaurant in an English-speaking country? Maybe you felt nervous. Maybe you didn't know what to say. Don't worry. Today, we will learn everything about ordering food in English. In this video, we will talk about words about food in restaurants, a story about eating at a restaurant, conversations between customers and waiters, ordering food at a fast food restaurant, ordering food by phone or delivery app, useful sentences you can use. Please listen carefully. If a sentence is difficult, you can stop the video. You can listen again. This is a good way to learn. Let's start. Part 1. Food and restaurant vocabulary. First, let's learn some important words about food and restaurants. I will say the word. Then I will say a simple sentence with that word. Restaurant. A restaurant is a place where you can buy and eat food. We are going to a restaurant tonight. Menu. A menu is a list of food you can order. Can I see the menu, please? Waiter. A waiter is a man who brings food to your table. The waiter took our order. Waitress. A waitress is a woman who brings food to your table. The waitress smiled and gave us the menu. Customer. A customer is a person who buys something, like food. The customer is looking at the menu. Order. An order is the food you choose to eat. I would like to place an order, please. Table. A table is where you sit to eat. Do you have a table for two, please? Reservation. A reservation means you book a table before you arrive. I have a reservation for 7 o'clock. Bill/check. The bill is the paper that shows how much you must pay. Can we have the bill, please? Tip. A tip is extra money you give to say thank you for good service. We left a tip for the waiter. Appetizer/starter. An appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main meal. We ordered soup as a starter. Main course. The main course is the biggest dish in the meal. My main course is grilled chicken. Dessert. Dessert is a sweet food you eat after the meal. I want ice cream for dessert. Drink/beverage. A drink is something you drink, like water, juice, or tea. What would you like to drink? Fork. A fork is used for eating. Please pass me a fork. Knife. A knife is used to cut food. I need a knife to cut this meat. Spoon. A spoon is used for eating soup or soft food. She used a spoon to eat her soup. Napkin. A napkin is a piece of cloth or paper. You use it to clean your mouth or hands. Please use a napkin. Plate. A plate is where you put your food. The food is on the plate. Glass. A glass is used for drinking. Can I have a glass of water, please? Delivery. Delivery means the food is brought to your house. We ordered pizza for delivery. Takeaway/takeout. Takeaway means you buy food and take it home. Let's get takeaway tonight. Fast food. Fast food is food that is prepared and served quickly. Burgers and fries are popular fast food. Spicy. Spicy food has a hot, strong taste. This soup is very spicy. Delicious. Delicious means the food tastes very good. This cake is delicious. Now you know many words about food and restaurants. Let's use these words in a story. Part 2. A story dinner at a restaurant. Now listen to this story. It is about a family going to a restaurant. The story is simple. Try to understand every sentence. It is Friday evening. The Smith family is hungry. They decide to eat dinner at a restaurant. "Let's go to that new Italian restaurant," says Mr. Smith. "Yes, I heard the food there is delicious," says Mrs. Smith. The family gets in the car. They drive to the restaurant. It is called Bello Italia. When they arrive, a waiter greets them at the door. "Good evening. Welcome to Bello Italia. Do you have a reservation?" asks the waiter. "Yes, we have a reservation for 4 people, under the name Smith," says Mr. Smith. "Perfect, please follow me," says the waiter. The waiter leads them to a nice table near the window. The family sits down. The waiter gives them menus. "Here are your menus. I will come back in a few minutes to take your order," says the waiter. The family looks at the menu. There are many choices: pizza, pasta, salad, soup, and more. "What do you want to eat?" Mrs. Smith asks her children. "I want pizza," says the little boy Jack. "I want spaghetti," says the girl Emma. A few minutes later, the waiter comes back. "Are you ready to order?" asks the waiter. "Yes, we are," says Mr. Smith. "I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables." "And for you, ma'am?" the waiter asks Mrs. Smith. "I will have the mushroom soup, and then the seafood pasta," says Mrs. Smith. "And for the children?" "My son would like a pizza, and my daughter would like spaghetti with tomato sauce," says Mrs. Smith. "Great choices. What would you like to drink?" asks the waiter. "We will have 2 glasses of orange juice for the kids, and 2 glasses of water for us, please," says Mr. Smith. "Of course. Your food will be ready soon," says the waiter. The waiter writes down the order and walks to the kitchen. While waiting, the family talks about their week. "How was school today, Emma?" asks Mrs. Smith. "It was good. We learned about animals in science class," says Emma. "That sounds interesting," says Mr. Smith. After about 15 minutes, the waiter comes back with the food. He carefully places each dish on the table. "Here is your grilled chicken, sir, and your mushroom soup, ma'am. Here is the pizza for the young man and the spaghetti for the young lady," says the waiter. "Thank you so much. This looks delicious," says Mrs. Smith. "Enjoy your meal," says the waiter. The family starts eating. Jack takes a big bite of his pizza. This pizza is so good," says Jack. "My spaghetti is delicious too," says Emma. Mr. Smith tastes his grilled chicken. "This chicken is cooked perfectly," he says. Mrs. Smith enjoys her soup. "This soup is warm and tasty," she says. They eat and talk happily. After the main course, the waiter comes back. "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" the waiter asks. "Yes, please," says Mrs. Smith. The waiter brings the dessert menu. There is chocolate cake, ice cream, and fruit salad. "I want chocolate cake," says Jack excitedly. "I will have the ice cream," says Emma. "We will share a fruit salad," says Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The waiter brings the desserts. Everyone enjoys their sweet treats. After finishing, Mr. Smith calls the waiter. "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?" he asks. "Of course, sir. One moment," says the waiter. The waiter brings the bill. Mr. Smith looks at it and pays with his credit card. He also leaves a tip for good service. Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful evening, says the waiter. Thank you, the food was delicious. We will come back again, says Mr. Smith. The family leaves the restaurant, happy and full. It was a wonderful dinner together. Part 3. CONVRSATONS at a restaurant. Now, let's listen to some short conversations. These conversations happen every day at restaurants. Conversation 1. Making a reservation. Customer: Hello, I would like to make a reservation for tonight. Staff: Sure, how many people? Customer: 4 people, please. Staff: What time would you like to come? Customer: 7:30, please. Staff: Perfect. Can I have your name? Customer: Yes, it's Johnson. Staff: Thank you, Mr. Johnson. We will see you at 7:30. Conversation 2. Arriving at the restaurant. Waiter: Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Customer: No, we don't. Do you have a table for 2? Waiter: Let me check. Yes, we have a table by the window. Please follow me. Customer: Thank you. Conversation 3. Ordering food. Waiter: Are you ready to order? Customer: Yes. Can I have the grilled fish, please? Waiter: Of course. Would you like any side dishes? Customer: Yes, some rice and vegetables, please. Waiter: And what would you like to drink? Customer: A glass of lemon water, please. Waiter: Great. Your order will be ready soon. Conversation 4. Asking about the menu. Customer: Excuse me, what do you recommend? Waiter: Our most popular dish is the beef steak. It's very delicious. Customer: That sounds great. I will have that. Waiter: Would you like it well done or medium? Customer: Medium, please. Conversation 5. A problem with the order. Customer: Excuse me, I ordered chicken soup, but this is vegetable soup. Waiter: Oh, I'm very sorry. Let me fix that right away. Customer: Thank you. Waiter: I apologize for the mistake. I will bring your chicken soup immediately. Conversation 6. Asking for the bill. Customer: Excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Waiter: Of course, here you are. Customer: Do you accept credit cards? Waiter: Yes, we do. Customer: Great, here is my card. Conversation 7. At a fast food restaurant. Staff: Hi, welcome to Burger House. What would you like to order? Customer: I would like a cheeseburger, medium fries, and a cola, please. Staff: Would you like to make it a combo meal? It's cheaper. Customer: Yes, please, that sounds good. Staff: Is that for here or to go? Customer: To go, please. Staff: That will be $8. Please wait a moment. Conversation 8. Ordering food delivery. Customer: Hi, I would like to order food for delivery. Staff: Sure, what would you like? Customer: I would like 1 large pepperoni pizza and a bottle of cola. Staff: What is your address? Customer: 25 Green Street near the park. Staff: Okay. Your order will arrive in about 30 minutes. Customer: Thank you very much. Part 4. How to order food step by step. Now, let's learn the simple steps for ordering food at a restaurant. Listen carefully. Step 1. Enter the restaurant. When you walk in, a staff member may greet you. You can say, "Hello, table for 2, please." Step 2. Sit down and look at the menu. The waiter will bring you a menu. Take your time to choose your food. Step 3. Ask questions if needed. If you don't understand something on the menu, you can ask, "What is this dish? What do you recommend? Is this spicy?" Step 4. Place your order. When you are ready, you can say, "I would like to order the..." Can I have the, please? I'll have the, please. Step 5. Enjoy your meal. While eating, if you need something, you can call the waiter and say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Could you bring some more napkins, please?" Step 6. Ask for the bill. When you are finished, you can say, "Can we have the bill, please? Could I get the check, please?" Step 7. Pay and say thank you. You can pay with cash or a card. Don't forget to say, "Thank you, the food was delicious." These simple steps will help you feel confident when ordering food in English. Part 5. Useful sentences for ordering food. Here are some useful sentences. You can use these sentences at a restaurant or when you talk about food. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I would like to order the chicken, please. Can I have a glass of water? Is this dish spicy? I am allergic to nuts. Does this dish have nuts? Could I have this without onions, please? This food is delicious. Can we have some more bread, please? Excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get this to go, please? I would like to make a reservation. Is there a table available for 2? What is the soup of the day? Could I get a fork, please? This is not what I ordered. Can I get a refill, please? Keep the change, please. Thank you for the wonderful meal. Try to repeat these sentences. This will help you speak better English at a restaurant. Part 6. Let's practice together. Now let's practice some short sentences. I will say a sentence. Please repeat after me. This will help your speaking and listening skills. Can I see the menu, please? Repeat. I would like to order pizza. Repeat. Can I have a glass of water? Repeat. This food is delicious. Repeat. Can we have the bill, please? Repeat. I have a reservation for 2. Repeat. Is this dish spicy? Repeat. Thank you for the meal. Repeat. Can I get this to go? Repeat. Keep the change, please. Repeat. Very good. You are doing great. Conclusion. That is the end of today's lesson about ordering food. Today we learned new words about food in restaurants, a story about a family's dinner at a restaurant, short conversations at restaurants, simple steps for ordering food, useful sentences you can use. I hope this video helped you practice your English listening. Please watch this video again if you want more practice. Listening many times will help you remember new words. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Listening English Practice. Also, please share this video with your friends who are learning English. Thank you so much for watching. This is Eiley saying goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.